We are learning that Jay-Z is accused of raping a 13-year-old girl. That is new in the Diddy lawsuit.
Rap and media mogul Jay-Z now accused of raping a 13-year-old girl in 2000 along with Sean Diddy Combs.
Shocking allegations accuse Jay-Z and Diddy of assaulting a 13-year-old girl at a party, leaving people stunned. According to the claims, Jay-Z has allegedly tried to keep the story hidden, even attempting to sue the lawyer who filed the lawsuit. What's even more disturbing is that another unnamed female celebrity was reportedly present, watching the incident. Some are speculating that this could be Beyoncé, which has fueled even more controversy. These accusations have sent shockwaves through the industry, sparking heated debates and calls for justice. As the story unfolds, people are questioning the truth behind these claims and what this could mean for those involved.
Some breaking news to get to. A civil lawsuit has been filed against Jay-Z, saying the rapper raped a 13-year-old girl back in 2000. The suit alleges that Jay-Z, whose real name is Sean Carter, raped the girl after the Video Music Awards alongside Sean Diddy Combs. The victim says she was invited to an after-party after being spotted by a limo driver and was then assaulted by both rappers.
The rumors about Jay-Z and Beyoncé attending Diddy's controversial parties have circulated for a long time, but they remained unsubstantiated until a recent lawsuit surfaced, which could potentially link Jay-Z to at least one of these events with shocking allegations. This isn't the first time such claims have arisen. Initially, Diddy was the only person named in a lawsuit involving an incident from 2000 where he and an unnamed male celebrity were accused of assaulting a 13-year-old girl while a female celebrity allegedly observed. According to the lawsuit, the incident occurred in New York City following the MTV VMAs. The girl, who lacked a ticket to the event, tried to gain access to the after-parties instead, a decision that would lead her into a deeply disturbing situation. Allegedly, she approached limo drivers outside the venue, asking for a ride to an after-party, and encountered a driver who claimed to work for Diddy. He assured her she could enter the party because, disturbingly, she was supposedly the type of girl Diddy was interested in. The driver took her to the party, where she was exposed to an environment allegedly filled with drugs. She was reportedly given a drink that tasted like a mix of juices and something bitter. Feeling dizzy after consuming the drink, she tried to find a place to rest and stumbled into a bedroom she thought was empty. The lawsuit claims that Diddy later entered the room, accompanied by two other celebrities, including Jay-Z and a female celebrity. Diddy allegedly asked if she was ready to party before assaulting her, and the lawsuit alleges that Jay-Z participated in the assault while the female celebrity watched. Following the ordeal, the girl reportedly escaped the party and reached a nearby gas station where a compassionate female clerk allowed her to use the phone. She called her father, admitted she had lied about her whereabouts, and pleaded for him to pick her up. The allegations against Jay-Z suggest he was aware of the impending lawsuit, as Tony Busby, the attorney representing the alleged victim, approached him to discuss a private settlement to avoid public litigation. Jay-Z reportedly rejected this, accusing Busby of attempting to extort money through baseless and malicious claims. Subsequently, an anonymous celebrity, now known to be Jay-Z, filed a lawsuit under the pseudonym John Doe, accusing Busby of seeking a payout by leveraging false accusations. Jay-Z alleged that Busby threatened to file lawsuits, make his identity public, and report him to the FBI if he refused to pay. In response, Busby stated that neither he nor the alleged victim would be silenced by powerful figures and their lawyers. He described the extortion lawsuit as baseless and emphasized that his actions were standard legal procedures, such as sending a demand letter for confidential mediation. Busby denied asking for money and argued that his intention was to address the matter privately to protect the victim's well-being. He highlighted his strategy of settling cases discreetly when it best served the victim's interests, only resorting to public litigation when necessary. In his response, Busby accused Jay-Z of attempting to harass and intimidate him and the plaintiff, asserting that such tactics had only strengthened the victim's resolve. He expressed pride in her courage and doubled down on his commitment to seeking justice. As Jay-Z's name emerged in the lawsuit, Diddy's legal team issued a statement dismissing the allegations as baseless and part of a series of publicity stunts aimed at extracting money from celebrities through fear of damaging lies. They reaffirmed Diddy's confidence in the judicial process, insisting that the truth would prove his innocence and emphasizing that he had never assaulted or trafficked anyone, regardless of their age or gender. In a public statement, Jay-Z addressed the allegations and the demand letter he received from Busby, describing it as a blackmail attempt. He declared that rather than succumbing to pressure, he was determined to expose the allegations as fraudulent in a highly public manner. Jay-Z called for criminal complaints, not civil lawsuits, for such heinous accusations and expressed heartbreak over the impact the situation would have on his family, particularly his children, one of whom is old enough to understand the claims and face questions about them. He lamented the loss of innocence his children would endure due to the maliciousness of the situation. Busby, in turn, defended his approach and the victim's case, accusing Jay-Z of filing a frivolous lawsuit under a pseudonym to avoid accountability and asserting that his firm sought confidential mediation rather than monetary demands. Despite Jay-Z's denials, Busby stood firm, stating that sunlight is the best disinfectant and expressing confidence in the truth prevailing. He pledged to release letters and evidence publicly, emphasizing his refusal to be intimidated. This escalating legal battle between Jay-Z, Diddy, and Tony Busby has sparked widespread controversy and debate. Each side has doubled down on their claims, with Jay-Z vehemently denying involvement and accusing Busby of extortion, while Busby insists on the victim's right to justice and alleges attempts at intimidation. Meanwhile, Diddy's team has sought to discredit the allegations entirely, framing them as calculated efforts to exploit public figures for financial gain. As the case unfolds, it has not only captivated public attention but also highlighted broader issues surrounding the handling of allegations against powerful individuals and the impact such claims have on all parties involved. With the prospect of further revelations and legal maneuvers, this already complex and polarizing situation shows no signs of resolution, leaving many to question the veracity of the claims and the motivations behind them.